What INEC has accelerated itself to doing is to put itself in a trance to promote illegality and thereafter call for the courts to resolve the illegality that they have worked on. Nowhere in the world where there is respect for rule of law do people easily and hurriedly tell others with impunity, go to court, go and seek redress. The courts are final. They should have that respect. Whoever is in a hurry to tell people to go to court know what they have arranged at the courts. This is unacceptable. A number of things have also happened. The international observers in different categories have expressed their candid opinion to the dissatisfaction and the legal breach which INEC insists it will continue to do. And there is no impunity as such. We agree that it has not been uploaded. We agree that it's a legal breach, but we're INEC, your political parties, your ordinary Nigerians. We shall therefore continue to breach this law because there's nothing you can do, because you're Nigerians and because we're INEC. We shall announce the candidate of our choice, and you are free to go to court. This is not rule of law. This is not democracy. Now, international observers have, civil societies have, our revered leaders have spoken.